Hey everybody, this is Christian Gibbons, your favorite D&B realtor. We are back in North Potomac, Maryland at the Mount Prospect community. We are checking out Toll Brothers Windmill Collection. This is the Kalorama model. This starts at $1.93 million. They do have other models in this collection that start at $1.8 million. But let's check out this gorgeous home. Now this is their modern farmhouse elevation that you saw on the outside. The interior, as you can see, is very spacious. We have a flex space office on this side of the room. As you know, these model homes have a lot of customizations, so please keep that in mind as we're walking through. This home has also a full-size dining room out of your entry area. Beautiful restoration lights. Butler's pantry as we enter into your gourmet kitchen. Also extra butler's pantry space here as well as we step into your truly massive kitchen. We have Jenner appliances. You guys already know if it's gonna have a Jenner fridge, I'm gonna open it up and see if the interior is black, and it is. These refrigerators are gorgeous. They feel extremely sturdy. Also off of the kitchen, you have your 2-story great room. They did an absolute amazing job taking that tile work all the way up to the ceiling for the fireplace. It makes it feel extremely grand, luxurious. And then this home also has a beautifully done outdoor space with the slider door that goes all the way over to that side. As you can see, there's outdoor kitchen. There is an outdoor seating area. And on this side, you have your morning room. Walk-in pantry. A little bonus surprise for you guys. There is also a prep kitchen in this home. Perfect for caterers, perfect for events. All right, so typically this would be a bedroom, but this is actually the multi-generational suite in the model home. So you have a living room area in this room. You do have a closet over here, storage, walk-in closet. A very nicely decorated bathroom with gorgeous quartz countertops. And then the bedroom is the bump out in the model home. So this typically would not be here, but because this is the multi-generational room, this is the bedroom for this space. What do you guys think so far? This home is massive at a little bit over 8,000 square feet. In total, there are 6 bedrooms in the model. Before we get downstairs, I just want you guys to take a look into the powder room, and there is also a storage room on the back here. All right, welcome to your basement, your recreation room here. As you can see, they've done a great job of utilizing this space very well. You have a gaming area, you have an area for lounging, you have an area for the wet bar, and also an area just to relax. Let's go this way into the home. And you see you have a bonus room. This could make a great gym, maybe a great arts and crafts room, great home office if you need it. And then here's another bedroom. And these bedrooms are all generously sized in this home. Walk-in closet, of course, and you do have a full bathroom down here. All right, let's go check out the upstairs level in this home. Okay, so on top of having 6 bedrooms in the model, there are also 7 full bathrooms in the model home as shown, and there is a half bathroom. Now keep in mind, this actually can be expanded to up to 10,000 square feet. So this can be a behemoth. It's already massive at 8,000. But let's check out where your other bedrooms are. Before we do that, let's walk into your laundry room where you can see it is very spacious. They did a great job with the floor, the cabinets, beautiful. Here is bedroom number 1 on this floor, as well as bathroom number 1 on this floor, and walk-in closet, of course. Here is the secondary bedroom on this floor. This is the largest of all the secondary bedrooms on this level. Also, beautifully done bathroom. I love the tile work they did on the floor here. This is really nice. And peep these gorgeous wide plank, white oak wood floors. This is actually my favorite color of the wood floors. You do get a loft space here for your family to come and chill. It can be like a second living room. This is the 3rd secondary bedroom on this level, and it does have a walk-in as well as its own powder room on the other side. Here's your loft space once again. All right, so Toll Brothers does a really good job in their primary suites. This one is no exception to the rule. As you walk in, you see this room is massive, has lots of natural light. The lighting fixtures that they chose for the model, like I said, these are upgrades, custom, and they are gorgeous. But this space is massive. I love that you can have a separate seating area apart from where you sleep. Of course, it wouldn't be the primary suite without a large walk-in closet that feels like a department store almost. Like you're at Bergdorf Goodman or Saks, Neiman's, wherever you prefer to shop. And we're gonna finish this tour in the primary bathroom here. Actually, we're not done yet. So we have one more level to go up to. It's a little bit of a surprise. This is an optional space that was added to this home. So keep that in mind. This is a space you can add. It is called their 3rd level bonus space. All right, what do you guys think of this? And what would you utilize this room for? This could be, honestly, anything you want it to be. But it looks like here they have it set up as like a little office area / maybe a homework room, a lounge, and it does have a full bathroom. All right, let's go talk downstairs. All right, so I just wanted to bring you guys back down so you can take another look at this gorgeous kitchen. Before we say goodbye, just wanted to say thank you again for coming back to my YouTube channel. And thank you to Toll Brothers for allowing us to come and tour this gorgeous home. If you're interested in coming to tour this home, feel free to reach out to me. You can find my information at the end of this video or in the description. Once again, my name is Christian. I am your favorite D&D realtor, and I look forward to meeting you. Grace and peace.